Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan Vino and I'm here with you for Virtual Farm Day just outside Bridgewater, Nova Scotia here at my Christmas tree lot. Christmas tree lot here has been in the Vino family for 3 generations. My grandfather originally started his Christmas trees here back in the 1960s. In the earlier years, they were very different than they are today. Natural tree, and they were taken out by a pony back then. Very different than today. In the background, you'll find some trees that have been trimmed right from small right to large. I have some trees behind me that have been planted in recent years to keep more trees coming for the future. I market trees throughout Canada, some into the US and in the Caribbean as well, and then I sell some trees here locally within Nova Scotia. So here we are in another section of the Christmas trees. There are some trees here that are sheared. There are also some trees here that I left untrimmed throughout the summer. And the trees that are untrimmed now, I will trim those in the early spring, next spring, before the spring growth comes out in May and June. There are a lot of steps to growing Christmas trees throughout the year. Working throughout them in the winter to do your basil trimming, thinning, bush cutting. Then in the late winter, early spring, to do your spring shearing, spring trimming. Then in April, get into some planting of the little trees here. These little guys around me have been here for a few years, and they are just starting to get the good root in, that they will start to take off then better. Through the summer, then usually mid-July, I will get into my summer shearing, summer trimming, and that I usually work at throughout the summer. Ends up being the hottest part of the year. Those were a few steps involved in growing Christmas trees. So remember, this Christmas, buy a real Christmas tree.